What's up, Hoopties and Hot Rods fans? It's a gorgeous day out. Check out the day. Boom. Just beautiful, beautiful day. Anyway, the day has come for the blue square to get the shine treatment. Put on some good clothes to go out and rock about the town, the ice cream joint. We'll clean out the bed. We're gonna clean out the interior. We can't do anything about the dash. Customer doesn't want to do anything about that yet, but we're gonna make what's here shine. That's for sure. We're gonna get all this grime and stuff off, smooth everything up, smooth the bumper up. By the end of the day, we'll have the beauty rings back on, tires slicked up and shined up. But yeah, let's get after it. That starter, this thing idles nice now. Now that I got that double gasket out of the way and the intake gasket leaks, might even do a burnout. It's got a pretty wide patch on it though. Probably a one wheel wonder. One wheel peel. That's all right though. I've done some one wheel peel. Still makes you feel like a king. Even when you got to put oil down or water, bleach. Something slick is what I'm getting at. Look at these old deer. These, get out of my way, deer. I'm coming down the road. I don't think these things ever worked. Anything that attracted the deer is like, hey, homeboy's calling us. He's on his way. I hear him. Let's meet him out there. Bam! Oh, I don't know though. There's no proof of what I'm saying. Plus, they look goofy. I don't know. Idle down. Idle down. Yeah. Feel the power. Can I use the camera as like a camera? Oh yeah. Like, oh, I can see behind me like a rear view mirror. Here I go. I gotta fix the power steering. This thing has no power steering for some reason. I guess there's still a lot to do, but it's a nice day, so we're gonna shine it up. My son-in-law Brandon's here. This is his economizer, Equinox. We're gonna empty out all the garbage first. We're gonna start with the bed. Get this thing whipped around. Golly, there's no power steering whatsoever. It's hard to do a camera. Whip a wheel. Whip a wheel. Boom, shaka laka laka. The bed is clean. Cleaned out. Gonna be nice to wash. Should clean up nice. Hadn't been used that bad. I mean, a little bit of wavy, but not too bad. Textured glass with moss. We got the front of it cleaned out. I found some old Velcro valve covers in a box under the seat. Might even put them on for the guy. Figured out why the seat wouldn't go back. Got this boom boom device, which I kind of like these old boxes like this, because they put out some sound. You put a big enough amp on them and they rock your world. When you hear, you know, rock my world, little country girl, oh man, I'd be boot scooting boogie, no doubt. That was somewhere in the spider webs or something. But anyway, now let's get up here and wash this thing. I'm hungry. Man, that starter sounds terrible. I don't know if it's gonna shim out or not. Oh man. Oh yeah, here we go. I got a piece for the detent cable coming because it's broken loose. So Friday we can, transmission guys coming, so we can set all this stuff up and see if this transmission's even still good, because the owner was telling me that they tried driving it and was able to get it to go into second, but it wasn't pretty. So let's go clean this thing, make it look like it's gonna do some wicked cool burnouts. Ice cream runs, Dollar General runs, whatever, what have you. To me, it's, you know, Mexican food. Sucker for it. All right. Sliding glass closed. Check. Oh, camera in hand. Old man noise is getting out. Check. Door shut. Check. I wonder how the microphone's doing in the wind here. Let's get some camera stance going. I can only hope that comes out when we do this shine juice, or yeah, Derek calls it shine juice. I'm using his formula. Oh yeah, check this out. My bad. I got excited about shine juice. Check out the hood. Washed. Not washed. Isn't that crazy? 12 years of nothing but sitting somewhere, and now she's on her way back on the road. Man, I can't wait. This side's still dirty. Let's keep going. guys back over here by the wasteland. Anyway, tally ho. Are you in frame? You're in frame. Heck yeah. Boom. And now we're going to give it the business and resurrect it. Side's still dirty. I guess that's where the SOS comes in. We'll let it dry. Yo, let me paint this picture for you real quick. I can't spin the camera around. Oh, I left my water. Gotta check his truck out. It just keeps getting cooler and cooler and cooler. Look at that patina that has happened just over time, naturally. Whoa. I think we're looking at the top of it. Yeah. It is super, 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 super cool. And it does have some metal flake in it. I'm not 100% sure if you can see it, but wherever you see sparkles, that's metal flake. So it's really gonna pop when we get to putting that shine juice on there. Do the Quad Zero SOS on every panel. Then we gotta stick that one piece of trim back on there. No. Anyway, what a cool old truck, man. What a cool old truck. There's a whammy right here. I didn't realize. Whammy. You can't knock the cool off of it with a stick. Just wait till I get done with it. Make a worm smack a catfish. Better when it's wet, it's drying. It's drying in front of our eyes. Hydration. H2O. Water source. Yeah. Yep. I'm an Adam Sandler fan. I got a tape in there of Adam Sandler. What you talking about? Camera down. Camera down. The wind said, "Not today, recording Maverick. Your video shall not pass." Maybe it won't blow over. If it blows over here, it's gonna be in the gravel. That won't be good. let's drink it in. It's wet. I mean, she is gonna look good. Look at this. Look at this red popping through on this fender here. It's gonna be gray and blue, and I can't see any white. It's still gonna be cool when it's all shined up. I think it's gonna be slick. It's gonna make me not want to get rid of it. But man, that steel wool, it made the truck smooth where it was rough. And I mean, kind of get a understanding of where it's going. It's nice and clean. You can tell the bed's been painted or something. Cab's one color, bed's another color, but hey, Survivor, baby. Ah, cha 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 cha. Just gonna wipe some of the big stuff away. We're not going for perfection here. He's gonna use this thing. He's gonna drive it around. Who knows, he might meet his first girlfriend or third girlfriend, whatever in this truck. Let's see what we can't do here. Transformation. Let's get in here. Yeah, we got it all. We got up there. You can't hardly see it. Look, just let me. Where's a flashlight? And let's just go flying. Find the flash. Let's go flying the flash flight. I got a flashlight. Yeah. Oh, missed the spot. Missed the spot. Yeah. Once it dries up a little better. That's usually how it goes. About a can of fender well. If you're doing it right. Just cake it on there. Cake it on there. We'll get to a couple more. See you in a minute. No, I need to shake the water. I need to drink the water. again. Here we are. I'm sure the lighting is great. Oh, making old man noises as I try to sit down. Oh, oh, oh. And here we go, the reveal. Another desert flower. Oh yeah. Attack of the Black. It's a black attack. All right. Moving on. All right, let's get you in here. The last one. Boom. Black. It's not really the close-up that you see. It's more the after. The far away shot is, oh man, look at them. They're just as dark. You can't see no rust. Man, what a transformation. More transformation to come. Transformers.